Hey Gaurav, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I want to speak today about space and everything celestial, right? So let's start with this, right? Let's probably start with something complicated. So tell me about a few stars apart from our sun,
Beetlejuice,
okay?
Proxima Centauri, and
Which is the sort of brightest star in the sky, night sky?
um, to Earth is the sun.
But apart from that,
Um, there's a star called Beetlejuice.
huh?
It's also one of the brightest stars.
Which stage of its life that star is in?
Red giant.
Red giant. What about our sun?
Um, it's a dwarf.
Okay. So after red giant, what basically happens? The next few steps ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ generally star ಗೆ?
And usually the difference is a
Hmm.
small red dwarf
Hmm.
uses less fuel, what do you call
Hmm.
it, less gas to
Hmm. Energy sort of.
burn or
Yeah.
do some nuclear fusion, something like
Hmm.
that.
Hmm. Hmm. Fusion
But
or fission again difference actually.
nuclear fusion, that's natural.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Two nuclei
collide. Yeah.
collide with each
Yeah.
other.
Fission is
The
splitting.
opposite.
Opposite of
They
it. Yeah.
they just
Split
split apart.
to give out energy, right? So
Both of them give a lot of energy.
So next topic I wanted to bring about is why in textbooks they took out Pluto from the set of planets.
Um, because Pluto is too small, so they declared it as a dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet and
Because its diameter is smaller than the US.
diameter smaller than the US. And what about its movement? I mean, was there something with respect to its movement that scientists saw?
I don't know about that.
But what about other planets? How should they behave in terms of their movement?
Um, they all revolve around the sun,
Yeah, but there's a
and
specific track to it. Probably with respect to Pluto, they didn't see that,
yeah,
right?
but and also other reason Pluto was taken out was because nothing should be in their axis or the path where they revolve around the sun.
Exactly.
They should be able to, the planet should be able to clear the path.
Yeah.
But Pluto was not able to clear its path
Okay.
because it was too small.
Do you want to speak something about Jupiter and Saturn? Probably your favorite planets, I guess.
Um,
What about the blades of the Saturn?
the rings of Saturn are made of dust, ice,
Ice, okay.
and other small rocks.
Is it like very thick?
Not so thick, it's like as thin as a blade,
Yeah, as thin as a blade. Okay.
but just that they're huge.
So, do you want to speak about some interesting things about the Voyagers 1 and 2?
Um, I know that Voyager 1 is 13 billion miles away.
Is it inside the solar system?
Nope.
It's crossed it, right?
Yep.
Okay. And what about Voyager 2? Why did it leave later than Voyager 1?
I don't know.
You remember that day we were talking about how it used Saturn's gravitational pull to
Go like a
sling,
boomerang.
boomerang, sling effect. You remember, right?
That day you
No,
said
that was for
boomerang.
Voyager 1. Voyager 1, it ended up using the positioning of the planets in such a way that it was able to use Saturn for sling effect to exit out of the solar system.
Yeah, but the Saturn should be in a particular place to do that. So Voyager 2 couldn't do it because Saturn comes in that particular place every 150 years.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, do you want to speak about where our solar system is in our Milky Way galaxy? Is it at the center?
Um, like not at the center, kind of in the outer layers of the Milky Way.
Solar system.
Not
Okay.
even the outer or the inner layers, in the middle kind of.
No, it's in the edge of the galaxy.
See, if the galaxy is like this, it's this part, not completely at the edge.
Okay. All right. What is a light year, Dua?
Light year is the distance light travels in 1 year.
1 year. Okay. So it's what's the speed of light? Are you aware?
I'm not so aware of speed of light, but I know that they are different in the air, in water, and in vacuum.
Correct. Okay. Okay. So, for example, you see a star there, right? Why are you able to see that star?
Because of its brightness.
Correct. I mean, the light which travels from that star. What do you want to speak about that? Does it take a while for it to reach us?
Yeah, from the Earth to our, I mean, from the Sun to our Earth,
Hmm.
it takes about 8 minutes 23 seconds approximately.
Just to reach Earth.
Yeah, 8 minutes 23 seconds.
Okay. So how is the star basically born? How does it?
It get it is actually born in a nebula, which is
Hmm. What is it? What is nebula?
when gravity comes together. Like gravity pulls hydrogen molecules together,
Correct.
and the gravity of it becomes so strong that the hydrogen molecules start turning into solid
Yeah.
from gas.
Because of the pressure, right?
Yeah.
So does the pressure increase with temperature, or is it the vice versa? I mean, or is it the other way around? Inversely proportional, or is it proportional?
The pressure increases because of the
No.
gravity.
Correct. So the temperature, what happens?
The
As in
temperature starts rising.
rising. So pressure and temperature are proportional to each other.
So the nebula starts using hydrogen, helium, and all other kinds of
Elements.
gases and elements to
It's an
start
element.
burning
Yeah.
or something.
Okay. So what constitutes water? Which are the elements which constitute water?
Two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule.
Good. Okay. So let's end this video with just one thing, right? Methane ಅಂತ ಅವತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತೋ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ.
Methane.
So can you, on a lighter note or a joke, end where methane comes from on the planet Earth?
It comes from volcanoes, and also even cows fart it.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.